Hi my friends, today we're taking a look at this high-speed racing car. Let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get in the package, and then we're going to test it out to see if it's really a high-speed racing car. Take a look at the presentation. Very nice. So you just simply lift these off of the wheels. Wow! This thing looks awesome! Guys, this looks so cool! Right away we see it comes with wheelie bars. Now you're definitely going to want to add them. If it comes with it, you know it's going to be pretty fast. Okay, comes with a USB charger for the battery. Some extra tools in here as well, and accessories. Comes with a manual which goes over some pretty cool things. Shows you guys how to do every single thing, which is awesome. And it comes with a little carrying bag for all your accessories, which is really nice, so on the go. Some more accessories inside here as well. For your wheelie bar, we're going to take the two screws out right here. It's probably going to be easier for you guys to take off the case first. Actually take off the body. And by the way, we can actually show you when we do this. There's two different bodies on here. You got two different colors that you guys can pick through. And there's also going to be a plastic film on the bodies that you can peel off and it will look much nicer. Now that we got that off, we're going to go ahead and place this right down in here. So you're going to take this top flat piece, turn it upside down like this. So this piece is going to be facing upward. And you're going to slide this in here like that. Once you have the two screws out, now you can go ahead and put those two screws back in. Now you're going to locate the two screws that probably should have been in the same bag with the wheelie bar. And then this you're going to drop down in over here. So you're just going to set that in here and put the screws down through the top. You're going to see it lines right up, and you just drop this right down in. So right down in here, drops in. While we're here, just take a look at the shocks. They are really nice. Very impressed with this unit, and you guys can see underneath in here as well. You have two batteries in here, so it actually can hold two batteries, which is incredible. That is incredible that it holds two batteries. Wow. You got the motor. You have your on and off button right here. This is your controller. Steering and trim. Pull down to go forward. Push up for brake and reverse. Takes 3 AA batteries. Always give it a good test before you start using it. So to turn it on, you just slide this button. Then we press and hold. Oh, we can already tell. So that's flexing my hand. I'm not like doing that. It's gonna be fun.